Welcome to my channel. What if one small lie could destroy years of trust? Most people think a lie is harmless, but what happens when that one lie grows bigger and bigger until it changes everything? Stay with me until the end, because today we will discover the price of one lie, a powerful lesson that can change the way you think about honesty forever. Chapter 1. The first Lee Daniel was known as one of the most honest and hardworking students in his school. His teachers trusted him, his classmates respected him, and his parents were proud of him. Every day, he completed his homework on time and always tried his best in class. But one evening, everything changed. Instead of finishing his homework, Daniel spent hours playing video games and watching videos online. He kept telling himself, "I'll do my homework later." Before he realized it, it was late at night. He was tired, so he went to bed without completing a single page. The next morning, Daniel woke up feeling nervous. As he walked to school, he knew his teacher would ask for the homework. His heart started beating faster. He thought about telling the truth, but he was afraid that his teacher would be disappointed or punish him. Then an idea came into his mind. "I'll just tell one small lie," he said to himself. "I'll say I finished the homework but accidentally left it at home. Tomorrow I'll complete it and nobody will ever know." When the teacher asked everyone to submit their homework, Daniel stood up and quietly said, "I'm sorry, teacher. I completed my homework, but I forgot my notebook at home." The teacher looked at him kindly and smiled. "That's okay, Daniel," she said. "You have always been responsible. Please bring it tomorrow." Daniel sat down and felt a huge sense of relief. He smiled and thought, "That was easy. My problem is solved." But was it really solved? Remember this powerful truth. A lie may solve today's problem, but it creates tomorrow's trouble. That afternoon, Daniel felt happy because he had escaped punishment. However, he did not realize that his homework was still unfinished. The next day, the teacher would ask for it again. Now he had only two choices. He could tell the truth and admit that he had lied, or he could tell another lie to protect the first one. Many people think small lies are harmless. They believe one little lie cannot hurt anyone. But every lie has a hidden cost. A lie may seem small in the beginning, but it often grows bigger with time. One lie leads to another, and before long, a person becomes trapped in a story they never wanted to create. Honesty may feel difficult for a few minutes, but lying often creates problems that last much longer. Daniel was about to learn this lesson the hard way. As he walked home from school, he kept thinking about what he would say the next day. Would he finally tell the truth? Or would one small lie become something much bigger? That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 2. The Web of Lies. The next morning, Daniel woke up with a heavy heart. He remembered that he had promised his teacher to bring the homework, but he still had not completed it. He looked at his notebook and realized there was no time left. As he walked to school, he felt nervous. The lie he told yesterday was still following him. He knew he had a chance to tell the truth, but fear once again took control of his mind. When the teacher asked for his homework, Daniel took a deep breath and said, "I'm very sorry, teacher. Last night, my little brother accidentally spilled water on my notebook, and all my homework was ruined." The teacher looked surprised, but she believed him once again. She simply said, "That's unfortunate, Daniel. Please complete it again and bring it tomorrow." Daniel sat down, but this time he did not feel happy. Instead of relief, he felt something different. He felt guilt. He realized that one lie had forced him to tell another. The simple excuse he had created was becoming a story that he now had to remember. Remember this powerful truth. Every lie builds a prison, and the liar becomes its first prisoner. Soon, things became even more difficult. His best friend asked, "What really happened to your homework?" Daniel gave him another excuse. Later that evening, his mother asked why his teacher had sent a reminder message about missing homework. Daniel quickly invented a different story. Now, his teacher, his friend, and his parents had all heard different versions of the same event. Every conversation made Daniel more anxious. He constantly worried that someone would compare the stories and discover the truth. He could no longer enjoy playing games or spending time with his friends because his mind was always busy protecting his lies. He started losing sleep, became quiet in class, and found it difficult to concentrate on his studies. Lying had done something he never expected. It had stolen his peace of mind. The punishment he had tried to avoid was now much smaller than the fear he was living with every day. Daniel finally understood that telling the truth on the first day would have been much easier than carrying the weight of so many lies. But now he felt trapped. The more lies he told, the harder it became to escape. Then something unexpected happened. Daniel's teacher became suspicious. His stories no longer matched, and she decided to speak with his parents after school to understand what had really happened. Daniel had no idea that the moment he feared most was about to arrive. Would the truth finally be revealed? That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 3, The Cost of the Truth. That afternoon, Daniel could not stop thinking about what might happen. His teacher had asked him to stay after class, and his heart was beating faster than ever. A few minutes later, his parents arrived at the school. Daniel looked at their faces and immediately felt nervous. He knew he could no longer hide behind another excuse. The teacher smiled politely and said, "Thank you for coming. I wanted to talk about Daniel's homework. He told me he forgot it at home. Then he said it was damaged by water. I just wanted to understand what really happened." Daniel's parents looked at each other with surprise. His father gently replied, "He never told us about any of this. His homework was never left at home, and no notebook was damaged." At that moment, the classroom became completely silent. Daniel lowered his head. His hands were shaking, and he could not look into anyone's eyes. For the first time, he realized that the truth had finally caught up with him. All the excuses he had created disappeared in a single moment. Remember this powerful truth. Trust is like glass. Once broken, it is never quite the same again. Daniel expected his teacher to become angry. He thought his parents would shout at him. But something even more painful happened. His mother looked at him with tears in her eyes and softly said, "Daniel, we are not disappointed because you forgot your homework. We are disappointed because you chose to lie." His teacher nodded and added, "Everyone makes mistakes. Forgetting homework is a small problem, but lying to hide a mistake creates a much bigger one." Those words touched Daniel's heart. He suddenly understood that the biggest punishment was not losing marks or receiving extra homework. The real punishment was seeing the sadness on the faces of the people who had always trusted him. He remembered the day before when he could have simply said, "I'm sorry, teacher. I didn't complete my homework." It would have been embarrassing for a few minutes, but everything would have been over. Instead, one lie had grown into many lies, bringing fear, stress, guilt, and now broken trust. Daniel felt ashamed of his choices. He wished he could go back and change everything, but he knew the past could not be changed. Now there was only one path left. He had to tell the complete truth, accept responsibility for his actions, and work hard to earn back the trust he had lost. But would his teacher, his parents, and his friends forgive him? Could honesty repair the damage caused by one lie? That is exactly what we will discover in the final chapter. Chapter 4, Honesty Changes Everything. That evening, Daniel sat quietly in his room and thought about everything that had happened. He realized that his biggest mistake was not forgetting his homework. His biggest mistake was choosing a lie instead of the truth. He understood that one honest sentence could have saved him from days of fear, stress, and guilt. For the first time, he truly understood the value of honesty. The next morning, Daniel walked into school with a different attitude. He was still nervous, but this time he had made an important decision. He would tell the complete truth no matter what happened. After the class began, he stood up and said, "Teacher, I want to apologize. I forgot my homework because I wasted my time playing games. I was afraid of being punished, so I lied. Then I kept telling more lies to protect the first one. I am truly sorry." The classroom became silent. His teacher looked at him for a moment and then smiled gently. "Daniel," she said, "I am disappointed that you lied, but I am proud that you found the courage to tell the truth. Admitting your mistake is the first step toward becoming a better person." After school, Daniel also apologized to his parents. He did not make excuses or blame anyone else. He accepted full responsibility for his actions. His parents forgave him, but they also explained that trust is not rebuilt in a single day. Just as one lie had slowly broken their trust, honest actions would slowly rebuild it. Remember this powerful truth. The price of one lie is the loss of trust, but the reward of honesty is a lifetime of respect. From that day forward, Daniel made a promise to himself. He completed his homework on time, spoke honestly, even when it was difficult, and accepted responsibility for his mistakes. Weeks passed, and his teacher began trusting him again. His parents noticed the change in his behavior, and his friends respected him even more because they saw his honesty and courage. Daniel learned a lesson he would never forget. Everyone makes mistakes, but mistakes do not define our character. Our choices do. Telling the truth may feel difficult for a few moments, but lying creates problems that can last for a very long time. Honesty brings peace of mind, stronger relationships, and lasting respect. So, whenever you are tempted to tell a small lie, remember Daniel's story. Ask yourself, is this lie worth losing someone's trust? Most of the time, the answer is no. Choose honesty, even when it is hard, because the truth may be difficult today, but it will protect your future. If you enjoyed this story and learned an important life lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Honesty is always the best policy. Thank you for watching, and always remember, a mistake can be forgiven, but trust must be earned. Choose honesty, protect your character, and let the truth guide your life. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.